The Petco Pay credit card program issued by Comenity Capital Bank is split into two distinct versions that cater to different types of shoppers. When someone applies, they are first evaluated for the Petco Pay Mastercard. If they do not meet the criteria for that version, they are automatically considered for the store-only Petco Pay credit card. The store card is strictly limited to use at Petco locations Petco.com and Petco veterinary clinics. The Mastercard version is far more flexible, as it can be used anywhere Mastercard is accepted, allowing the user to earn rewards on everyday purchases like groceries or gas. The reward system is built around Vital Care points, where 167 points are required to earn a $5 Vital Care reward. Both cards offer 2 points for every $1 spent at Petco. However, the Mastercard version adds extra earning power by giving 2 points for every $3 spent at grocery stores, which works out to approximately 2% back, and 1 point for every $3 spent everywhere else, roughly a 1% return. One of the most significant advantages for regular shoppers is the ability to double dip. Since cardholders earn these points on top of the standard 1 point per $1 earned by all Vital Care members, the total effective return on Petco purchases is about 8%. There are several attractive perks designed to draw in new users. For instance, there is a 20% discount on the first purchase made the same day the account is opened. For those who qualify for the Mastercard, there is a sign-up bonus of $25 in rewards after spending $500 outside of Petco within the first 90 days. Another helpful feature is that point balances for cardholders remain valid for 1 year, whereas non-cardholders see their rewards expire in just 90 days. Additionally, every purchase made with either card triggers a donation to Petco Love at no extra cost to the cardholder, which adds a nice charitable element to the program. However, the financial risks associated with these cards are substantial. The purchase APR is exceptionally high, typically ranging from 28.49% to 35.99% depending on credit worthiness. This is among the highest interest rates in the credit market today. Even more concerning is the penalty structure. If a payment is late, a penalty APR of up to 39.99% may be applied, and this rate can remain in effect indefinitely. While there is no annual fee, and special financing is available for large purchases like major vet visits, these financing plans often involve deferred interest. This means if the balance isn't paid in full before the promotional period ends, the user is hit with all the interest that would have accumulated from the very first day of the purchase. From an educational standpoint, this tool is clearly designed for a specific type of person. If someone is a Petco super user who spends $50 or more every month on food and supplies, the 8% return is hard to beat with a standard cashback card. It is also a decent option for those who might struggle to qualify for premium bank cards, as store-branded options often have lower credit requirements. But it must be emphasized that this is a rewards tool, not a debt tool, because the APR can go as high as 35.99%. Carrying even a small balance from month to month will quickly cost more in interest than whatever rewards were earned. If a person cannot commit to paying the statement in full every single month, they should stay far away from this offer. Furthermore, the point system is unnecessarily complicated. Most people prefer a flat rate cashback system because the 167 points for $5 conversion is confusing and makes it difficult to track the actual value of spending. The rewards are also trapped within the Petco ecosystem, meaning they have no cash value and can only be used on more pet supplies. If a shopper gets their pet food from Amazon, Chewy, or local grocery stores, a general 2% cashback card would serve them much better because of the flexibility it offers. In summary, the Petco Pay credit card can be a high-value asset for loyal customers who want to maximize their savings on pet care through that 8% effective return and the initial 20% discount. It helps solve the pain point of rising pet care costs, especially with the extended 1-year expiration on rewards. However, the risks are extreme, with a standard APR reaching 35.99% and a potential penalty rate of 39.99%. This card can become a massive financial burden very quickly. The deferred interest on special financing is another major trap for the unwary. Only those who are disciplined enough to never carry a balance should consider adding this card to their wallet.